Alright, hi everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Somil Shah and I have developed a small smart library which can get weather details for free of cost. So usually what happens is whenever you use website like Open Weather API, you have to pay money, right, in order to get their services. But I made a smart library. I did a web scraping on a popular weather websites and I'm getting the data. And I made a small, I made a library so you can use it to get all the weather details by just the zip code. This currently only works for United States, but I can later on modify it to work anywhere in the world. So let's get started and let's see how does this work. So basically, it's just 2 lines of Python code. The entire article is also there on my blog itself and on my GitHub. So you just say w equals to weather. You create a class of weather. Then you say w dot weather get, which will get the details, and you need to pass a variable known as zip, which will be the zip code, and you will get all the details. So here are all the details. For the first is the dew point. Oops, sorry for that. So the first is the dew point. Second is the temperature, how it feels like, humidity, observation time, temperature, visibility, wind speed degree, and wind direction. So using popular scraping technique, I developed this smart library, so you can use it for your own benefits to upload the data on a SQLite, and you can do an analysis later on. So with just 2 lines of code, it's that easy to get all the details. So here is the entire code for the library that I wrote. So you can read my article on my GitHub as well as on my blog. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it and you will use it